Hello, everyone, and welcome to the new episode of Weekly Crypto Roundup. As every Wednesday, I'm Gokce from the Excel team. A lot of things happened since last Wednesday. Currently, Bitcoin just passed 110K price level. What's happening? We are going to talk about that. We just got the CPI data, and markets are pricing this a little bit. So let's look at the prices. We are stuck at this price level actually for the past 3 weeks, and Bitcoin was unable to pass 110K level. And even though we have tested this price level, Bitcoin couldn't stay on here and above this price. So it's been 3 weeks, and we are hovering around 109 to 107K. And it's important to stay above 110K level, so Bitcoin price can go a little bit higher, as staying at this price level, unable to stay above it, makes the price weaker and feels like it could test 104 and 102K price levels, as these were really important resistance levels back in November, December and January actually. So if we cannot stay on above here, it's possible that we are going to see 104 and 102 price levels. This is an important support area. So what happened? We got the US Consumer Price Index, so CPI data, and it was below expectations. They anticipated the index to mirror the previous figure of 0.2% and maintaining a steady rate of growth. However, the data came lower than that at 0.1%. It's good for the risk assets, as Fed can lower the rates sooner than later if the inflation comes lower than expected. But still, we haven't seen the tariff effects on the data. We are going to see it soon. But also, we are currently in a pause stage, as Trump paused the tariffs for 90 days, and they're in talks with different countries. And the most important one is happening currently in London. And it's going well, as it is stated by Trump, and markets are pricing this actually. So Trump said that this deal is subject to final approval from the President Xi and himself. And with this deal, the US will get the rare earth metals it needs, while Chinese students can take up their places at American colleges back again. And currently, we are waiting the deal to be finalized. We don't know the details very well. There are some tweets. Kobayashi sent this tweet today, but we don't know the details just yet. So these are the initial details of the US-China trade deal. First one is total of 55% tariffs for United States, 10% tariffs for China. Any necessary rare earths will be supplied by China. US to allow Chinese students to attend US universities, and this is just subject to approval of Trump and Xi, and Trump seems to be happy with this deal, as he's tweeted about that. But there is one unclear thing, is that we don't know what that means. Total of 55% tariffs for US means. So we are going to learn about it, but Trump seems to be happy with what's happening. So this was the main thing that make the prices go higher. Also, the CPI data make the price just go higher than 110K. It's just trying to stay above this level. We are going to see it. If it's not possible, again, as I said, we can go retest this 104 and 102K levels. And looking at the price, this time it's different. This rise was different than the previous ones. As you see, the price increase, we consolidate for a while, and again we see a huge green candle, again consolidation, again huge green candle, consolidation, and going up, but we haven't seen a retest like that. So this is a little bit different than the previous price actions. So it might be possible that we go test these levels again. Other than that, we had a drama between Trump and Elon Musk, and it seems like it is resolved right now, as the both parties stated some positive things about each other. This is important because it affected Bitcoin price last week, as we can check on the daily chart. This red candle is caused by Musk and Trump drama. And looks like they are in better place now. Elon Musk tweeted that he regrets some of his posts about presidents last week. They went too far. Yes, they went really far, as he even mentioned that Trump's name is in Epstein files, and we are going to learn about it soon. On the other hand, Trump also stated that he could consider reconciliation with Elon Musk. As he was asked about it, he said he guesses that he could reconcile with Trump. This is important. Also, other than that, he says that he's not getting rid of his Tesla or Starlink at the White House. Also, he called Starlink a good service, and he wishes Elon Musk well. So this is a huge step back from both parties. This is important. This was affecting Bitcoin price as well. Other than that, I just want to add that X and Polymarket are partners now, and X will be using Polymarket data to rely on Grok and on Twitter. It's a huge step. Just wanted to add that while talking about Musk. And this month was important, as we have seen a lot of headlines about institutions purchasing more Bitcoin, and there are very new companies that purchase Bitcoin for the first time. And if we look at the past 30 days data, we will see that there are 22 new entities that are holding Bitcoin now. So there's a huge adoption happening on the institution front, and more companies are purchasing. We are seeing new headlines, and this is going well. As a lot of people thought that Strategy is purchasing Bitcoin nonstop, and Saylor helped Bitcoin price to stay above some certain levels. I agree with this, as he's purchasing a big amount of Bitcoin. As you know, there is a limited supply that is mined every day, and he's purchasing a good deal of that daily mined Bitcoin, and new institutions came. But even though we are seeing these much institutions purchasing Bitcoin, and this is just last 30 days, and we have new 22 companies. On the retail side, things are different. Retail is not back trading Bitcoin just yet. We are looking at Google Trends. For example, here the blue one is showing Bitcoin searches, and the red one is showing crypto searches on Google. And retail is not even Googling Bitcoin just yet. You see the levels back in November, as Trump was mentioning about the strategic Bitcoin reserve that he's promising for the election, and people search Bitcoin during this time. And currently, the interest from the retail is very low compared to back in those days. So retail is not back, and the volumes are not high enough, and people are not talking about Bitcoin, even though it just broke its all-time high and it's just trading just below this price level. People are not back yet. So this is why I think the price is not increasing like it's used to before. Also, from looking at ETH, this is important. ETH is doing very well. Yesterday, Ethereum price rose like 8%, and it outperformed most of the markets, and Bitcoin rose around 2%. So it was a good day for Ethereum. And looking at the ETFs, institutions are purchasing at Ethereum, and we are looking at the ETF flows. And just yesterday, Ethereum ETFs saw $125 million in inflows. And since May 16, the ETFs have seen a total of 1 billion in inflows. And it means that 17 straight days of inflows. And I want to mention that it's higher than the time that we had the Pectra upgrade on Ethereum network. Let me show you the charts. Here, during this time period, there was Pectra update on Ethereum network, and we had a nice price increase during this time, like 40%. And even during this time, the ETF flows were not this much. So this shows something. I think Ethereum is gaining attraction again, and it's going to see better levels as institutions are back getting ETH. And also this year, we are going to get staking to the ETFs. BlackRock wanted to have a meeting with SEC to talk about ETFs, and specifically adding staking to Ethereum ETFs. So most probably we are going to get that during this year. Also, we are going to have new ETFs, spot ETFs for altcoins. Solana, XRP, Doge, Litecoin was the ones that are mentioned, like 80%. With the odds of 80%, we are going to get new ETFs from this altcoins, and with staking for Ethereum as well. So it's going to affect the price in a positive way, as right now, if you're an institution, if you purchase Ethereum ETF, you are not going to benefit from staking rewards. So this is a disadvantage. They are going to solve that this year, it looks like. So yeah, that's it for this week. Let's see, and I hope that Bitcoin price stays above 110K. And it can help altcoins to rise. If it stabilizes above this level, it's going to be better days for altcoins. Thank you, and hope to see you next week. Bye-bye.